Preston.
What a beautiful night. Absolutely beautiful evening. Here's Stella, the sun's going down. She's well fed, well full. We've had 2 salads each.
Yeah.
And Stella ate 3 chickens.
3 different pieces of chicken.
3 pieces of
At
chicken.
the harvester.
I only had 1 chicken, I did.
Potatoes though.
Oh yeah, no potatoes.
No potatoes and everything else. Three bowls of salad each.
3 bowls of
But it
salad
wasn't
each.
just salad, it was pasta and everything.
I don't know where this has come from, but somebody's left it here by the side of the Mersey. The sun is really low
Oh, no, it's low.
as it's going down.
Look at the tide, I've never seen that low.
Now the tide's out today,
Mm,
all the way down to the Mersey.
lovely. Oh, it's nice.
Yeah.
Right, just tell me when I'll come and live here.
Well, tomorrow if it was left with me, I'll tell you.
Oh, anybody want to buy our house? Buy a golf course, 4 bedroom detached. All done.
Or swap for one by the Mersey with views of the Mersey.
Consider a house swap. Oh.
1 or 2 people stopping to admire the view.
What do with a bike here now? You could bike off some here.
You could. Oh, you can go for miles on a bike along here.
Mind you though, I've
All the way along here. It goes all the way up to Otterspool.
said I've
Goes
resisted the
miles.
pudding.
Oh
It's,
yeah.
the harvester's got all the calories on each of the foods.
Yeah.
And what was it? The sticky toffee pudding?
With 750 calories.
790.
790 calories.
I thought, right, now sticky toffee pudding.
That's after you've had like the 1500 calories on for the main meal as well.
Yeah, so I've had enough.
You can tell we're on a diet.
Yeah, food is on the mind. But that's great, that is, the harvester. Yeah, it's great.
It used to be better. I ain't so mad on the meals at the moment. In the the harvester's good. Sorry, I thought you meant the Crown.
No.
The Crown Carvery used to be
Crown
brilliant,
Park is
but
good. It's all like full veg and that, it's okay in the winter.
mind the view's brilliant.
Yeah, you won't get a better view than this for a pub.
This is the view from the pub,
Crown Carveries.
you know, and it goes all the way down. Everybody's down in the town centre partying.
Really nothing, that is, because it looks, it's rippling on the tide, it's rippling there, and it's